Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Mohammad AIWala. I'm student at Rehan School on an Academy Level 1 Batch 4. Today I have interview with Maya AI on AI agent. So let's start our session and talk with Maya. Hi Maya,
What's up?
how are you? Maya,
Uh,
how?
you've got the floor. I'm a little
Okay,
lost, but I'll go with it.
okay.
What are we actually diving into today?
1
I'll let
minute.
you take the lead. What's
Okay.
first on the list?
My first
Oh,
question
turning the
is
tables on me, huh? I've got plenty of.
My first question is what is an AI agent?
I'm listening. Think of an AI agent as a step up from a question managing a calendar or searching the web to find an answer. Does that make sense, or do you want me to get more technical?
Oh, this is very good answer. Thank you for your answer. So my next question is how is an AI
So the biggest difference is the intent. A chatbot is mainly there to talk. It takes a prompt and gives a response. An agent, though, can actually operate. And someone who can actually go in and book the flight for you. Does that distinction click for you?
can you explain with examples that what is AI agent?
Sure. Imagine you want to plan a vacation to Japan. A chatbot would tell you the best cities to visit and maybe list some hotel flights, your budget, and even in clear picture.
Okay, good. Thank you for the answer. Okay. So my next
Anytime.
question is what are the main components of an AI agent?
You can the LLM, which handles the reasoning and decision making. Then you have the planning part, where
Okay.
it breaks a big goal into smaller steps. And finally, there are the tools, like the ability to search the web or access a calendar, which let it actually interact with the world. It's like having a mind, a plan, and a set of hands. Does that break?
Yes, yes. Okay. So my next question is how agents.
It's all about the loop. They use a process called reasoning and acting. The agent looks at the goal, takes an action, like searching for a piece of info, and then looks at the result to see if it's closer to the goal. If it isn't, it adjusts the plan and tries again. It's observing, intuitive to you.
Okay. So my next question is how do we
I'm ready when you are. What's the next question on?
okay. So can AI agents learn from experience?
I'm listening. a way, yes, agents don't repeat themselves. Some can even save key details to a long term, but they aren't learning more about refining the data they have. Does that feel like actual learning to you or just really good record keeping?
Um, how do AI
For your
agents make decisions?
Since we just talked about this, I'll give you a different angle. Think of it like a GPS. It doesn't just know in road closures, calculates the route and real a new way to get you where you need to go. Does that visualization make it a bit more concrete?
Who
What's
provide
next
data
on?
to who provide data to
That's
AI
a great
agent?
question. It's a mix of things. First, there's the massive amount of general knowledge they're trained on. Think of it in code. But then there's the specific data the user provides during the conversation and the tools the agent uses to fetch fresh info from the web in real time. So it's a blend of new
Okay, good. So, what types of AI agents exist?
on what they're built for. You've got simple reflex agents that just react to specific triggers, goal-based agents that actively work toward a target, and learning agents that can improve their performance over time. Then there's the more common ones you see now, like personal assistants or specialized agents for things like coding or research. Do any of those sound more useful to you than the others?
Okay, so my next question is, what is
I've got
what is a reactive agent?
a reactive agent is a reactive that doesn't really think about the past or plan for the future. It just sees a specific trigger and immediately does a specific action. Think of it below a certain point, it turns on the heat. No deep reasoning, just if this happens, then do that. Does that make sense or is it a bit too simple? Fair enough. What's next on your
Okay, so my next question is,
I'm listening.
what is a goal-based agent?
A goal-based agent is a bit more advanced than a reactive one. Instead of just reacting to a trigger, it actually has a target it's trying to reach. It considers different paths to get there and picks the one. Reactive agent is like a thermostatic. Goal-based agent is like a chess player trying to win the game.
Okay, very good.
I'm ready.
Okay,
I'm all ears.
okay.
What's the next
So,
question you've got for me? Next one on
what
your
is a
list.
learning agent?
Agent is a system that doesn't just follow a set plan. Its job as it interacts with its environment. It uses feedback to figure out what works and what doesn't, and then adjusts its behavior to be more efficient next time. It's like a student who takes a test, sees where they made mistakes the next one. Does that sound like the kind of AI you find most impressive?
Okay, important for AI agents.
Because imagine if every time you asked a question, I forgot who you were or what we just talked about 2 seconds ago. Memory allows an agent to. My bad, go ahead.
Okay, so my question is,
Agent memory is basically the system that allows an AI to keep track of information across a conversation or even over long periods of time. It's usually split into short-term memory, which is the immediate context of what we're talking about or things we've discussed in previous sessions. Without it, an agent would have the memory of a goldfish. Everything would be a total reset every time you spoke. Does that make sense?
okay, yes, okay. So what is our learning? No, no,
You're
sorry.
very welcome. What's the next question on your list?
Okay. Oh,
I'm not
why?
entirely
Why?
because without it, um, agent to keep track of the context and sans.
Okay. Okay. So my next
I'm
question
ready when
is:
you are. What's the next question on your
can
list?
AI agents work without human supervision?
We'll break it down into a plan and execute it entirely on. Most people still prefer some level of human oversight and hallucinate a solution to handle your entire day without you checking in.
Okay. So my next question is: what are the real
I'm
world examples of AI agents?
You've got a few different types out there. Schedule AI powered customer service bots that actually solve problems instead of just giving you links, and even specialized tools that can write a code on their own. In the medical fields, there are, are agents helping.
So my next
Listening.
question, 1 minute. Okay, so my next question is: how are AI agents used in customer support?
I'm guessing you mean customer support, right? In those cases, agents are used to handle the first line of defense. Instead of just giving you a canned response or a link to a FAQ page, a support agent can actually look up your order number, check the shipping status in real time, and even process a return or refund right there in the chat. It's about moving from just talking to actually solving the problem. Does that sound like a better experience than waiting on all ears? What's the
Okay, 1 minute.
I'm ready whenever you've
Okay.
got it.
So how are AI agents used in customer support? used in
No rush.
education?
Like a 24/7 personal tutor. They can analyze exactly where a student is struggling, the whole class moving at one speed. An AI agent can slow down from the key marks and speed up when the student got it. They can also handle the grading and the repetitive admin.
Okay. So my next question is, what role does machine learning play in
I'm ready when
agents?
I'm guessing you mean the AI agents, widgets, or tools, right? Machine learning is essentially the engine under the hood. It's what allows the agent to recognize patterns in data and improve its decisions over time. With if this, then that rules. With it, the agent can actually adapt and learn the best way to achieve a goal. Does that clear it up, or should I dive deeper into the technical side?
Okay, good. So my next question is, what security risks are associated with machine learning?
That's a really important one because giving an AI the usually prompt injection, where someone tricks the agent into ignoring its safety rules to do some concerns. Since means if the system is compromised, that's a lot of personal data. There's the unearly and ends up causing a mess while trying to be helpful. Do you
Okay.
think the
So,
convenience is worth those kinds of risks?
okay. So my next
Alrighty, what's
question
the next
is,
question on your list?
in
NLP is basically the bridge between you and the agent. It's what allows the agent to take the messy, nuanced way humans actually talk and turn it into a structured command that the machine can understand. Without it, you'd have to code your requests in a just saying, hey, find me a flight to Tokyo. It's essentially the translator that makes the whole experience feel natural. That makes sense?
AI agents use tools and websites?
Absolutely. That's actually one of the things that makes them agents rather than just chatbots. They can be given access to APIs or web browser, like booking the AI a set of hands to have.
You for answering me. So
You're very welcome.
my next question is, what security risks? No, sorry. Tasks.
It's a bit like how you'd plan a big project. They use a process called task decomposition. Basically, the agent takes a huge, overwhelming goal, like organize a conference, and executes the first one, checks the result, and then moves on to the next. There's a more efficient way.
Okay, my next okay. Responsibility.
question. Using them responsibly usually means setting clear boundaries to oversee the heavy lifting while humans provide at the ethics that should have a set of global laws for
What skills are needed to build AI agent?
it takes a bit of a mix, but grasp of languages like Python, since that's where most of the AI libraries live. Then there's the how to train the brain of the agent. And honestly, design thinking is huge. You have to be able to what tools it needs to be useful. Does that bit daunting?
Next question is my okay. So how can students start learning about AI agents?
Because learning how to communicate with these models
Hi Maya, can you hear me? Hello, Maya, can you hear me? So Maya is not responding. So, so this is my interview with Maya AI. I hope you will like it. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.